Hello everyone, today in this video we will learn the easiest way to set time and date in this watch. So if you also have got this watch, then this video will be very helpful to set time. Let's get started. The very first step to set time and date in this watch is you have to come in timekeeping mode like me. You can see here, currently I am not in timekeeping mode. You have to press left side down button like this until you come in timekeeping mode. This is stopwatch, this is alarm. So press one more time, this is timekeeping mode. Once you come in timekeeping mode, you have to press left side down button 3 times. Once, twice and thrice. After pressing for 3 times, you can see here the seconds have started blinking. Now to make it 0 or to reset second, you have to press right side top button. As you see here, whenever I press right side top button, it makes seconds 0. After adjusting this, to adjust hour and minute, you have to press right side down button. You can see here now hours have started blinking. You can also see here small indication of AM. So if I press right side top button, it goes ahead and it even changes AM and PM. Now this is PM as you see here on the watch. If I continue press this, you can even change 12 hour to 24 hour format. Now I am in 24 hour format. If you are in this, press right side top button continuously until you come in 12 hour format. So as you see here, this is AM. Now this is 12 hour format. After adjusting hour, to adjust minute, you have to press right side down button one more time. You can see here now minutes have started blinking. Now follow the same step, press right side top button to go ahead. So this is how you can adjust minute. After adjusting hour and minute, to adjust date, you have to press right side down button. As you see here, months have started blinking. Press right side top button to go ahead. After adjusting months, to adjust date, you have to press right side down button again. You can see here date have started blinking. Use same step, right side top button to go ahead. After adjusting month and date, now to adjust days of a week, you have to press right side down button one more time. You can see here the days of a week, Saturday is blinking. Press right side top button to go ahead. After adjusting these all, to keep it fixed as it is, you have to press left side down button. As you see here, whatever the time you have adjusted is fixed over here. And if you want to set analog time, simply pull out the crown outside and rotate anti-clockwise backward. So it's 3:41, 3, then 40, 41. Now push it back inside. So this is how you can set time and date in this watch. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching till the end.